Okay, finally done. I have a couple of things. We need a light, electricity, and there's a lot of still have a lot of grass on it all everywhere. So we need to clean up, pick up the grass, otherwise it's dangerous. And then we need a storage for this cushion. And this chair, I feel it's too high. This is like good for the people like 6 foot, but definitely not for the kids. It's once you sit, at least you can touch your foot a little bit to control the position. Otherwise, it's going somewhere. So we should have a little bit longer chain, and if somebody want to go up, they can adjust. But you know, they can adjust a couple more if they want higher. More higher is more dangerous. So I highly suggest to make at least like 1 foot shorter than this. So I'm going back home now. Thank you for your help. Oh, one thing. We should have one sign somewhere say, use at your own risk. This is not really like completely safety. They might be got injured and then we got sued. So make sure we are not liable for whatever happened in this backyard.